Most packable backpacks come with a trade-off. They're either so packable, they're flimsy, uncomfortable, and impossible to organize, or so structured, you wonder if you should have just brought a real backpack. But what if there was one that actually carried comfortably, kept your gear organized, and still packed down small without looking like you just came off the hiking trail? That is exactly what Unbound Merino set out to create with their Ultralight travel backpack. It packs flat inside your carry-on, but expands into a legit 15-liter day pack with smart organization and a modular tech system. I've been testing this for a few weeks now, and today I'm breaking down everything you need to know. The dimensions, materials, and my honest thoughts on whether this bag is worth your hard-earned money. Let's dive in. Now, full transparency, Unbound Merino, a longtime maker of merino wool clothing, is a company that I have been a fan of for a long time. I started buying their clothing years ago, and over time, they became a sponsor of our channel because I'm very persistent, I like their clothing, and I never shut up about them. However, and I wanna make this clear, this video is not sponsored, and actually they have no idea I'm making it. I am not pulling my punches, and in writing this review, I have not shied away from giving critical feedback where I think it's necessary. So with that out of the way, what do you actually get here? Well, this is a two-part system. A 15-liter ultralight backpack that packs completely flat, plus a detachable tech organizer. Unbound is positioning this as your packable day bag that transitions into a mobile workstation. So let's first talk about the backpack. This bag is constructed from a 210D nylon with PU coated backing for weather resistance. In terms of dimensions, when empty, this bag measures 18.75 inches by 12 inches by 2.5 inches when it's flattened out, but it expands to 6 inches deep when you load it up, and it's around 15 liters of capacity. It weighs just a little over a pound, so it's nice and lightweight. Aesthetically, I love it. It's got this clean, blacked out look with minimal branding, and unlike so many packable day packs out there, it doesn't look like a crumpled grocery bag when you pull it out to use it. The zippers are PU coated YKK AquaGuard throughout, meaning they're weather resistant and they are really, really smooth. Opening it up, the interior of this thing is awesome. Up against the back, you get a padded laptop sleeve that fits up to a 16-inch device, and it has a nice premium twill lining. In front of that is a tablet sleeve. Then you've got a main cavity here for a jacket, book, whatever, little spot for your pen here. We'll come back to these, and then on the front side, two pockets. This mesh hanging pocket here is where I stashed things like headphones or sunglasses, and then a pretty large separated pocket right here. Up top, there's a quick access pocket for your phone, your sunglasses, a key leash, and a very well hidden AirTag pocket, better hidden than most. Working our way to the back, this thing is way more comfortable than I thought it was gonna be. The shoulder straps are surprisingly nice for such a lightweight bag, and the back panel isn't super thick, but it does have a little bit of padding. A few other little features. The bag comes with a carabiner attached to the shoulder strap here. You can remove it if you want, or you could attach it to the hidden webbing loops right here. There's also a little hidden pocket right here for your passport. And it has two water bottle pockets that zip tight when not in use, so the bag stays looking sleek. Overall, as a packable day pack, this thing punches way above its weight class. It's comfortable, well organized, and it legitimately disappears into your suitcase when you're not using it. I will be honest, I really like this backpack more than I thought I would. But this isn't just a backpack. Unbound Merino is selling a whole system. When you buy the backpack, you are also buying this. This is a modular tech sleeve that Unbound Merino is calling your mobile office. Same great materials, 210D nylon and AquaGuard zippers, so it's nice and water resistant. It's got 6 mesh tech pockets, fits up to an 11-inch tablet, has these pen holders, a hidden AirTag pocket, a quick access passport pocket on the back, more webbing loops, and the idea is this is your tech pouch. You pack all your tech, chargers, cables, power bank, whatever, into this organizer. On travel days, you can quickly access it in flight, and it's got these fidlock attachments here on the back, so you could theoretically use the provided strap and wear it as a sling, or when you're at your destination, pull out your packable backpack, and remember these guys? It clicks right in here. Now, if you're headed to a coffee shop or whatever, your tech sleeve, desk caddy, etc. is perfectly intact, and it has a secure home in this backpack. From a form factor perspective, it definitely has a different shape than a lot of other tech pouches, and I think they thoughtfully made it to fit in seat back pockets and obviously to work with this backpack. I like that it has a little bit of structure. I like that it opens all the way and you've got pockets on both sides. I think the engineering here is really clever. The organization is thoughtful, and I can absolutely see the appeal of this system for a certain type of traveler. But there are some cons. The decision of how to lay it out and the overall form factor make it feel kind of big compared to other standalone tech pouches. I've seen some comments online about how people think this takes up too much space in the bag, but just speaking from experience, when you want to take your tech to the coffee shop down the road in your little packable day pack, like, your tech pouch is going to take up a lot of space. I think the biggest con for most is going to be the price, in light of the fact that these two products are bundled together with no option to unbundle them. This backpack / tech pouch combo retails for $198 US, which isn't a shock coming from a company like Unbound Merino that sells very high quality items like merino wool at a premium price point. I think the backpack itself could kill it entering the ring with Belroy. Their light day pack is $100. Air, the Slim Pack 2 is $125. Packed sells an item in this category for $100. Like, they certainly did not design this bag to compete with Osprey and Gonex and Sea to Summit. It's a different category, and I think they've done a very good job. But I think they'd sell way more backpacks if you didn't have to buy the tech sleeve. Most nicer tech pouches are $50, $60, even $70. And this is my opinion that no one asked for, but I think they could sell way more of this system if somehow you could start with the backpack, but there was a compelling reason to get in on the system, and maybe more than one sort of modular idea you could work in over time. And then perhaps purchasing a bundle, like choosing to get both of these together, saves you a little bit of money. I'll say it again, I love the backpack. It is awesome. I've been using it as my daily laptop bag. I just wish I could buy it without the tech pouch. Now, all of that aside, I do think there are people this is perfect for. If you are a digital nomad or a remote worker who wants one highly organized modular carry system, this could be exactly what you're looking for. There is a lot to like here, and if you decide this is the bag for you, please consider using the link in the description below, which helps us support our channel at no additional cost to you. Now, a good packable day pack is a core travel essential, but it's not the only one. So check out this video to see other tiny travel essentials. Definitely worth a look. Thanks so much for watching. Happy travels.